Now, they made tanks that I need to change. We have issues with the tanks now. They made everything fiberglass here. It's impossible to do anything except cut a floor. So we're just cutting the floor. That's it. We think, we discuss, we done.
What you doing?
Što me ovome zajebala nešto. Kaj me kurac zajebala.
I'm video taping.
Oh, I don't care. My rule on a boat, if you don't like it, you need to cut it.
Call Ella.
Okay.
And we don't like it, and we cut it.
Yeah, we're building everything new, so
And
that's it.
that's going out.
Let's see, what is this? Sago, whatever.
What did you do? You're destroying everything. No? Look at there.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Oh,
That's it.
salon. Nothing.
Oh, now plumbing and shitty work. I mean, hey, 2 days I'm breaking this. I'm trying 2 days to break connection with the floor and fuel tank. 2 days, look at this. Oh my God. So what I'm doing, I pull and I make a tension on a boom. So probably it's easier to remove the engine than this shit. Anyway, I raise him from the floor. So now I need to figure out how to actually remove him from this hole. But first beer, and then we will see. Okay, tank is out. That's a deck. Thank you, deck, for helping. So, huh? Who will say that he came from that small fucking door, huh? Crazy. Okay, I cut off here everything. You see how it looks? I think it will look much better when we finish with this. Okay, it's down. It's down.